We're about to get some breakfast. It is 10:05 a.m. Finally on the move. Finally.
This is actually pretty early.
This is the earliest you ever actually like got up?
The hotel. Like with a group of people like this. Usually we don't get up.
Oh, you usually get like a few people's up, a few people sleeping.
One thing is party though. They drink. So they get
Oh,
fucked up.
social distance.
So they don't wake up.
I'm on vacation, can't do that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we have reached our destination. We are eating at Hong Kong Garden restaurant, seafood dim sum cafe. Woo! What a breakfast. I mean, it didn't really feel like breakfast, but shout out to Hong Kong Garden for the yummy breakfast. So it's still in the morning. Our goal is to maybe go hike down Red Rock or go for a hike or Hoover Dam or something to burn all this fat, all this food, and yeah, let's do it. Hopefully we don't fall asleep in the car. People is falling asleep already.
Dead.
Damn. We're on the way to the Hoover Dam. We just parked, and I can see it. It's right there in the parking lot, or the parking ramp, actually, into the Hoover Dam. Wow! Oh, damn. All right, you made it across. Now we have a so. If the tour is open, they will take you down to go see Megatron, but we didn't take the tour. But holy shit, look at this. Oh my goodness. Let's go towards the middle. So, if you smash through this wall, you see Megatron right in there. They're trying to freeze him right in there. Megatron's still in there. It's crazy. Check out that bridge, bro. Oh my goodness. It's nice, dude. This is so calming, dude. This is really, really calming. Bro. So you can see the white spot, that's where the water used to go, like how high the water was. So this side is Nevada. That side over there is Arizona. So we're gonna walk towards Arizona over there. And it's an hour difference. So that's 2 p.m. And once we get to Arizona, it's gonna be 3 p.m. So we're gonna travel to the future.
Let's go to the meet back overview.
You guys ready to travel to the future? All right, guys. We officially made it to the future. We made it to Arizona, which is an hour ahead. No, an hour behind. Wait,
Ahead.
Which is an hour ahead. So
You can go back in time though.
but we can still go back in time. So check out this. That's the Arizona time right now. Bam.
In the middle here.
See that? We're headed to the gift shop.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Let's go check out the gift shop. Here we go. Oh man. Oh, they got yo-yos, bro. Hoover Dam.
I don't know about now, but
They got the fossil back.
give yourself a Hoover Dam sweater.
Had I?
This is a pure tech color.
Top flight.
Kind of like it.
Right
I
here.
get it.
Extra large.
Bless you.
Me. Thanks.
You should just went to Walmart.
Well, I want it there.
No, I mean it's cheaper.
Just like you don't know.
All right. Well, I guess that's it for the Hoover Dam. We're gonna go back to the hotel, maybe. I don't know. Walk around a little bit more. It's only 2 o'clock, so. But yeah, it was pretty cool. First time ever experienced Hoover Dam. It's freaking awesome. Oh, we're taking the elevator this time. It just got hot all of a sudden. It just got really hot. Oh wow! This is going to cave. Ooh.
Oh yeah, you can.
See if we get a footage of the cave. See the cave over there?
Look, there's a little chipmunk.
Bro, this is super nice, bro. Oh my goodness. Lake Mead. Woo wee. Alright, the other guys are going up there. Alright. Climbing up his little peak of hill right here. Get a better view, higher view. Let's get to the top. We found the goat. Where are they? Do you see them?
It's like rams.
They're rams.
These are
From the
live and wild boat.
They're rams.
Matt.
Matt.
See them?
They're rams.
Yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
God, this fucking idiot.
You scared them though. They're red.
Gosh, you and 2J.
There's one over there too.
Good job, boys.
Alright guys, we are at the old strip on Fremont. We're gonna get some food at this hotel right here. Everybody wanted steaks, so I guess we can get steaks. It's right across the street. And let's go. It's $13 for prime ribs, so let's go. We're did you say?
$12.95.
$12.95. Right here. Oh, right here. Prime ribs.
What?
Alright guys, the rest of the food just came in. Bam. Look at that steak though. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of food. This is a lot of food. After this, it's probably gonna be a really tiring walking around Fremont. But yeah, we're gonna go in and get some food. Super hungry.